Coldplay fans, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Coldplay's Music of the Spheres World Tour is hitting Abu Dhabi on January 11th, 2025, and it's creating a fan frenzy. Over 100,000 people swarmed the virtual queue for pre-sale tickets, but the Zayed Sports Stadium can only hold 44,600. Demand is sky high, so if you want in, don't wait. Ticket prices? They range from AED 195 to AED 1,495. Mark your calendars. General ticket sales are live now on the Live Nation website, and a heads up from Ticketmaster Middle East, only buy from authorized sellers, or you might be left outside looking in. Planning to travel? Hotels near the stadium are selling out fast. Book your accommodations ASAP to ensure you don't miss out on this epic event. The excitement is real, people. Social media is buzzing with fans sharing their hype and anticipation. Coldplay is back in the region, and this is one concert you won't want to miss. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tickets, book your stay, and get ready for an unforgettable night with Coldplay in Abu Dhabi. See you there.